Exercise 9.1 question number 4a. Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. This is a question given from the book. So now let us write. Actually it is the first expression and this is the second expression. Now we are going to subtract from the second expression to first expression. See, they have given word from. So from the second expression only we are going to subtract the first expression. Now let us write this second expression now. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Next we will write the first expression. 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. See, this is the second expression and it is the first expression. In between these two expressions, we have to insert minus symbol because the word is given subtract. So, insert minus symbol in between these two expressions. Now, let us solve this again. You write the first expression 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now, while we are removing this bracket, this minus will be multiplied with each term. Okay, minus into plus is minus 4a, minus into minus is plus 7ab, minus into plus is minus 3b, minus into plus is minus 12. Okay, so when I have removed all the brackets, so all the sign will turn to opposite symbol. Now let us gather like terms alone. This is 12a. Just you search, is there any a term? Yeah, it's a minus 4a. Next, minus 9ab and plus 7ab plus 5b. Next, minus 3b. Minus 3. Next, minus 12. See, we have underlined all the terms. It means we have arranged all the terms in this last step. Now let us solve the like terms alone. See, 12a minus 4a. Okay, both are like terms. Or else we can write a here. A is a common term, so we can write it outside of the bracket. The remaining is 12 minus 4. Next one is AB is common. Again the AB is common, so we will write the AB plus AB. Then within the bracket minus 9 plus 7. Now let us simplify the B terms. Write B as a common term plus B. Then the number within the bracket is 5 minus 3. Next, there is only a constant term, that is minus 3 minus 12. Now let us simplify this. Write the A as it is. 12 minus 4 is 8 plus AB minus 9 plus 7 will be minus 2 plus B plus B. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then minus 3 minus 12 will be minus 50. Now let us rewrite it. 8a plus into minus will be what? Minus 2ab plus 2b. This b2 only I have written 2b. Both are same meaning. b2, 2b both are same value. Minus 15. Exercise 9.1 question number 4b. Subtract the second expression from the first expression. See, they have given word from second. This is a second expression. It is a first expression. So let us write the second expression first and the first expression in the second place because it's given us from the second expression. Yeah. So write it now. We will write the expressions within the bracket In between these two expressions, we have to insert minus symbol because the word is given subtract. So insert minus symbol. Now let us write the same thing again. Then I am going to write the second expression. When I remove the bracket, the symbol before the bracket will be multiplied with each term inside of the bracket. Okay, if I remove the bracket, actually it is a plus 3xy. When I remove the bracket, it become minus 3xy. Again, minus into plus will be minus 5yz. Again, minus into minus is plus 7zx. Okay, in these steps we have removed all the brackets. Now let us gather the like terms alone. It is 5xy. 5xy. Just you can search xy terms alone. Yeah. Minus 3xy. Next we will write minus 2yz. Okay, let us search yz term. Yz. This is a yz term. Minus 5yz. Next, zx term. Minus 2zx. Yeah, this is also zx term. Plus 7zx. Is there any term left? Yes, here one term is alone, that is plus 10xyz. There is no xyz term. This term is alone, single term, so we will write it at the end. Okay, now let us simplify the like terms alone. See, this both are like terms. xy is common. Then within the bracket 5 minus 3. Because xy is common, so we can write out of the bracket. Then here yz is common, so we will write plus yz. Then the number within the bracket is minus 2 minus 5. Okay, here also zx is common, plus zx minus 2 plus 7 plus write 10xyz. Now let us simplify. Write the xy as it is. 5 minus 3 is 2 plus yz. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 plus zx. Minus 2 plus 7 is plus 5. 7 is greater number, so minus 2 plus 7 is plus 5 plus 10xyz. 10xyz. Now xy into 2 is 2xy. Minus 7yz is minus 7yz. Okay, so plus into minus is minus, no, so minus 7yz. Here zx into 5 is plus 5 zx plus write 10xyz. Exercise 9.1, question number 4, C. Here we are going to subtract two expressions. It is the second expression and it is the first expression. We are going to subtract the first expression from the second expression. So let us write the second expression now. 18 minus 3p. After complete this expression, now we will write the first expression now. 4 p square q square minus 3 pq. Now in between these two expression insert minus symbol because the question is subtract. Now I am going to remove the bracket So it's 18. Before the bracket there is no symbol, it means it is a plus. Okay, so it will not change any symbols within the bracket. So write the number as it is. 18 minus 3p. Now I am going to remove this bracket, but before the bracket there is a minus symbol. So this minus will multiply with each sign within the bracket. So all the sign will turns to opposite sign. Now actually it is a plus 4. When I remove the bracket, this plus symbol will be multiplied with minus. So plus into minus is minus 4 p square q square. Again this become minus into minus plus 3 pq. Minus into plus is minus 5 pq square. Minus into minus is plus 8p. Again minus 7q plus 10. Okay, first I have removed the bracket. Now let us arrange as a like terms. So 18 is a constant. Search the another number which is a constant. It is plus 10. So 18 plus 10. Then minus 3p. Search another term which contain p. Here plus 8p. Plus 8p minus 11q minus 7q. Next plus 5pq plus 3pq minus 2pq square. So it is a pq square term. Q has the square. So pq square. This one minus 5 pq square. Next plus 5 p square q square. This also contains p square q square term. So minus 4 p square q square. Once again you check whether you have underlined all the terms. Yes. Now let us simplify constant terms alone. 18 plus 10 is 28. Now minus 3p plus 8p. Here p is common. So you can write plus p. Then within the bracket minus 3 plus 8. Within the bracket minus 3 plus 8. Next we will take the q term. See here q is term common. So plus q. Then within the bracket minus 11 minus 7. Next we will take pq term. Plus pq. Then within the bracket plus 5 plus 3. Next we will take pq square term plus pq square. See pq square is common. Then the numbers are minus 2 minus 5. Next p square q term. Here p square q is common. So plus p square q. Then within the bracket 5 minus 4. Let us simplify again. 28 plus p minus 3 plus 8. If you simplify we get as plus 5. P into 5 plus q minus 11 minus 7 will be minus 18 plus pq. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus pq square. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 plus p square q. 5 minus 4 is 1. We will write the answer again. 28 plus p into 5 is p5 q into minus 18. See, plus into minus is minus, so minus q into 18 is q18. Then plus pq into 8 is plus 8 pq. Next, plus into minus is minus 7 into pq square. At last, 1 into p square q. 1 into p square q will be p square q. Multiply 1 with any number will give the same result, right? So, p square q will be the same. So, final answer will be the last step. This one you can, this will be the final answer. If you want, you can rearrange the numbers also. Same question I have written in different order.